This is a 2018 720S Maclaren, considered to be the fastest car under $1 million that you can buy. This was $383,000 new sticker. It has enormous horsepower, 140 miles an hour and 9.48 quarter mile time, 2.60 to 60 time. And more surprising than all of that to me is the owner of this car owns that Ford GT, owns that Ford GT, owns that ZR1, and owns the ACR Viper way back there. And this is his favorite car to drive. He said it's easier to get in and out of than any of the others, and it's just a nicer car. He loves this car.